You might think that reversing fatty liver is all about cutting sugar or losing weight. But what if I told you what you do between 8 pm and 9 pm every night could be the real game changer in reversing your fatty liver? Thousands of people are sabotaging their liver health every night even though they might be eating healthy during day. Today I am going to share with you a simple 9 pm rule that has helped several people to shrink their liver fat and boost their metabolism in the night and wake up feeling energized in the morning. And the biggest thing, it is all backed by science. Research estimates that 25% of adults worldwide have some kind of fatty liver disease, and most of them don't even know about it. People only blame drinking alcohol as a reason or poor dietary choices. But the new research is eye-opening because it shows that when you sleep and when you eat your food also affects your fatty liver and can be the key to reversing your fatty liver disease. And this is where I had developed this 9 pm rule, which is backed by science and research, which has helped people in improving their fatty liver issues. So what exactly is this 9 pm rule? It actually comprises of 3 rules into one. So let me share with you the rule number 1. So the rule number 1 is that kitchen closes at 9 pm. What it means is simple. No food or calorie rich drinks after 9 pm, period. And ideally you should have your dinner 2 to 3 hours before you sleep. And here's why it is so important. Your liver does majority of the detoxification work between 1 am and 3 am in the night. But if you eat within 3 to 4 hours of your sleeping, then you force your liver to process food instead of detoxifying. And as liver is not able to detoxify fat properly, it causes accumulation of fat in your liver. And that actually makes your fatty liver worse. A study published in Cell Metabolism in 2014 found out that time restricted eating of not eating for 12 to 14 hours overnight reduces liver fat accumulation. It improves insulin sensitivity and also resets your liver gene expression that improves your fatty liver disease. So clearly research supports the rule number 1 of stop eating at 9 pm. What's the rule number 2? The rule number 2 is that you have to consume this liver detox tea before bedtime. I'm going to share with you in a second the exact detox tea and the science behind using it. But let me share with you the rule number 3 first. The rule number 3 is the most surprising because first of all, it will ask you to go to bed at 11 pm and not later than that. But more surprising, it will ask you to not take any daytime naps for more than 30 minutes. This one really shocked me. But actually there are research studies which found out that taking naps during the day for longer than 30 minutes increases the fatty liver issues in people. Plus another research study also showed that if you go to bed late in the night, again that increases your chances of fatty liver disease in your lifetime. The reason being liver also has its own circadian rhythm, and sleeping late in the night or taking daytime naps disrupts that circadian rhythm, and that's where it affects the liver functioning and worsens the fatty liver issue. So this is the 9 pm rule that I was talking to you about, which is science backed and can help you improve your fatty liver disease. But let me explain to you how to practically apply this 9 pm rule. So it all starts with your dinner, because if you have to stop eating by 9 pm, then you have to have an early dinner. Now it is also very important to pay attention to what you are eating in your dinner, because a study published in Hepatology in 2011 showed that late night carbohydrate consumption increased the fat deposition in your liver. So what that means is that when you're eating your dinner, avoid high carbohydrate consumption, avoid any kind of sugars. So the ideal thing is to eat first non-starchy vegetables, then second good quality protein. If you can eat chicken, fish and turkey, that's great. If you are a vegan or a vegetarian, then try to stick with lentils, beans or chickpeas. And then in the end is where you consume your complex carbohydrates, which can be a small amount of quinoa or brown rice. So as we discussed before, you stop eating at 9 p.m. and then it's time for your liver detox tea. And this tea is specifically targeted for fatty liver disease because it includes two things into it. One is dandelion tea as well as milk thistle tea. Dandelion root enhances your phase 1 and phase 2 of liver detox pathways. A study published in Journal of Medicinal Food showed that dandelion extract can reduce the lipid and fat accumulation in your liver. So definitely it works. The second is the milk thistle tea. And for this we have several research studies which do show that milk thistle is really beneficial for your fatty liver disease because it acts as an antioxidant as well as a detoxifier and also inhibits fat accumulation in your liver. How to prepare this tea? For this you need 1 cup of warm water and then you add 1 teaspoon of dandelion root tea to it and 1 teaspoon of milk thistle tea to it. You let it steep for 10 minutes and then after 10 minutes you strain the tea and then you sip it slowly. So that's it, you are done with your liver detox tea and then you just have to go to bed before 11 p.m. So just by following this simple 9 p.m. rule of having a liver friendly dinner and finishing your dinner by 9 p.m., having your liver detox tea 30 minutes after you have finished your dinner, and then going to bed before 11 p.m. This will support your liver health tremendously, reduce liver inflammation, reduce fatty accumulation in your liver, plus it will help you to wake up feeling more energized and also boost your metabolism during the next day morning. So start following this 9 p.m. rule and follow it for 2 to 3 weeks and see what difference it actually makes in your life. Not only it will help your liver, but it will also help improving your health in general. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.